This compact Cleviton Wireless Carplay Adapter quickly turns a factory-wired CarPlay port into a fully wireless setup, so you can leave the cable in the glove box. Connection is impressively fast and consistent thanks to the modern Bluetooth and Wi-Fi hardware, with the CarPlay screen usually ready by the time the car is in gear. In real driving, music, calls, and navigation run smoothly, with virtually no noticeable delay, which makes the wireless experience feel as responsive as a direct cable. Setup is straightforward even for non-technical drivers, requiring only a one-time pairing process and then automatically reconnecting every time you start the vehicle. The adapter covers a wide range of recent vehicles, with both universal serial bus Type A and Type C plugs included, and it works with many iPhone generations as long as the car already supports wired CarPlay. Support for major navigation, music, and voice assistant apps, plus low power draw and stable long trip performance, makes this a strong everyday upgrade for frequent drivers.